Mastering English Quantifiers, a simple guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on a very important aspect of English grammar that can help you fine-tune your language skills. We are talking about quantifiers. You may be familiar with some common ones like some, many, all, but there are more to learn and understand. So let's dive right in. Quantifiers are words we use in front of nouns to show quantity or amount. They can refer to something specific or unspecific and are often used with both countable and uncountable nouns. In English, there are many quantifiers, but today, we'll focus on some, any, many, much, few, little, all, both, each, every, either, and neither. Some and any are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Generally, some is used in positive sentences and offers, while any is used in questions and negative sentences. For example, I have some books. Positive statement. Do you have any books? Question. I don't have any books. Negative statement. Many and few are used with countable nouns, while much and little are used with uncountable nouns. Many and much express large quantities, and few and little express small quantities. For example, I have many friends. Countable. I have much time. Uncountable. I have few pens. Countable. I have little money. Uncountable. These quantifiers are used with specific reference. All refers to every member of a group, both to two things or people, each, and every, to all members of a group individually, and either, and neither, to one or the other of two people or things. For example, I ate all the cookies, referring to all the cookies. I like both cats and dogs, referring to two things. I gave each student a book, referring to every individual student. Every apple in the basket is red, referring to all apples in the basket individually. You can sit on either chair, referring to one or the other of two chairs. He likes neither tea nor coffee, referring to not one or the other of two things. And there we have it, a simple guide to understanding and using quantifiers in English. By mastering these, you can improve your language precision and expression. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy learning!